Welcome to Bitcoin Daily. Today we are looking at PancakeLock or PLOCK. 600% in profits gains just a couple of hours ago listed on CoinGecko. So what do you think about that? 12 hours listed and 600% profit gain. So let's have a look. What is this little miracle here on the crypto sky? PancakeLock. This is their website, and you can already see it have to do something with tokens, with liquidity pools. So let's have a look on their white paper, and let's have a look what they say about their token, right? PancakeLock. Introducing PancakeLock. PancakeLock is an autonomous, frictionless, and decentralized application that aims to bring greater security and legality of operations to the application built on Binance Smart Chain protocol. The PancakeLock will utilize the Binance Smart Chain to create a full-stack liquidity lock system that allows developers and token holders and to lock their BEP20 tokens and liquidity tokens in a smart contract vault and earn PLOCK token for using the platform. So that's a nice stuff. So you can earn if you use your tokens, right? Core products and services. What the PancakeLock protocol core development team is working on. Liquidity pool locker, we have one. PancakeLock protocol solves the issue of PancakeSwap exit scamming by using standardized non-custodial smart contracts that locks liquidity. Nice. Many people are waiting for that, guys, not to get scammed. Team token vesting. The PancakeLock smart contract will allow founders to create a vesting schedule for team members with specified dates. NFT-infused staking. A set of stakeable NFTs will be offered for purchase in PancakeLock's upcoming public sale in the second quarter of 21. By now, I think, no? By staking the NFT on PancakeLock, liquidity providers will be able to enjoy bigger farming multiplier rewards from the fees generated on the platform. Okay. Our product sneak peek. So here you have that lock liquidity. That's nice. So you know it will be not an exit scam from others. We already see many of them. So it's a nice product, and that's why I think it have here 600% gain in profits, right? Because no one have done it like this before, and they are the first. So I see. PancakeLock token, they have 10 million total supply. 55% go into sale, liquidity at 30%, marketing 5%, staking or farming 5%, partners and platform development 5%. Offshore, everyone wants to earn some money with that work, right? PancakeLock token sale, we had a private sale in the public round. PancakeSwap listing 3 million PLOCK, and 100% of funds raised from public sales will be used to lock liquidity on PancakeSwap. The PancakeLock team, isn't fully anonymous. It is made up of a group of developers, financial professionals, and community managers who run as an anonymous DAO team. There are about 4 team members working with us. Half of them are based in the Bay Area. Our CTO has a background from different blockchain foundations as well as full stack. So we have a very strong tech team to deliver our product. But please, just show yourself. You will not lose anything if someone see your face, right? You will just gain more trust. But until now, I like this project. Here you can see a roadmap. I don't want to go too deep inside. You can read it by yourself. And let's have a look how many Telegram members they have. Near 6,000 members. 886 are right now online. We have a Twitter account for sure with over 7,000 followers, and interactions we have not that much, but it is okay right now. And they are for sure on Medium. You can also read here some blogs. So what do you think about this project? Is it the future? Is it the future to get a little bit more safety into this DeFi project? Is it PancakeLock who give us this future? Man, I don't know right now. But I think give it a chance, throw some money inside, because 600% right now. I think this is not just a pump. I think he will come much more behind this pump, after this pump, and yeah, just let me know what you think in the comments. Give me a thumb up, it will help me to promote more videos. For sure subscribe, then I make a lot of more videos like this, and maybe follow up PancakeLock if you wish. PancakeLock, very interesting product. Let me know what you think, and until then I just can say make some profits. See you later, alligator.